Iran has launched a sweeping plan for total digital isolation, implementing a whitelist-based barracks internet on its national information network to sever 90 million citizens from the global web. Reports indicate the shift followed a 20-day nationwide blackout starting January 8 that disrupted fixed-line internet, mobile data, international calls, and even Starlink services amid anti-government protests. Security firms are deploying upgraded deep packet inspection to block VPNs, Tor, and other circumvention tools, while traffic data shows elite users retaining limited IPv6 access. Government officials confirmed the internet will never return to its previous form, with one spokesperson vowing permanent restrictions. Sources from medical networks report a protest death toll exceeding 30,000, including mass burials and bodies transported in ice cream trucks. Industry analysts warn this quarantine will cripple the economy, education, and communications, raising questions about Iran's next steps in enforcing digital control.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.